So let's look at this. This is a pretty long word problem. So the first trick I'm going to teach you is we're going to look just at the last sentence. We're going to zoom in on this part and the equation. Those are the two most important parts of a long word problem. The final sentence, that is, what is it asking? We want to understand what it's asking before we read anything up here. And then they ask here, according to the model, for every increase of 1 year in age, by how many milliliters of mercury will the normal systolic blood pressure for an adult male increase? Now, when we're thinking about y equals mx plus b increase, refers to the slope. Whenever you see increase or decrease or rate of change, that is the slope. Whenever you see starting amount or initial amount, that's the y-intercept. So here they're just asking for the slope. But that equation doesn't quite look like y equals mx plus b yet, so we're going to make it look like y equals mx plus b. We're going to say p equals x over 2 plus 220 over 2, which is the same as 1/2 x plus 110. So our answer here for our slope is our m, which is our x coefficient, which is 1/2. So the answer here is 1/2. A lot of students misread that question and they make it a lot more complicated than it needs to be. And once you have your advanced math handout, star that question because it's a really common question type. You're pretty much guaranteed to get a question on your SAT that asks you to identify the slope or the y-intercept or even an x-intercept. We want to make sure that we're reading the question correctly.